I've been creating some fun pun stickers, as we can see just here. Now this one says take a whisk, muffin but love, it's nacho, fault, olive you more, and as you can see they do look pretty good. But how did I get the puns for these stickers? Well, it was by using a GPT. So if we come over here to the GPT store and type in pun, it's this first one just here, which says Pun Innovator by Merch Momentum. Now if we click on here, we can then click on Start Chat, and it's going to bring us just here. Now, quick side note, if you would like 100 free ideogram prompts for print on demand, then there will be my little freebie down in the description. You get 50 prompts for stickers and 50 prompts for t-shirts. Now, let me quickly show you how you can use this to get puns for t-shirts and sticker designs. Now, the first thing I always do is ask it, or ask any GPT, what do you do? And then I click enter. And then it gives us a little paragraph on what it actually does. So it says it specializes in generating creative puns. Now I already have this open just here where I was playing around with this. We can see I asked what do you do? It then went ahead and told me. So I said give me food puns. So it went ahead and gave me 25 deliciously witty food puns to sink my teeth into. Now with these we can see that some of these are pretty long, especially this one, so I thought I'd be a lot more specific. So I asked it instead, make them 3 words, and then we have some really great puns here which would work extremely well on stickers and or t-shirts. Now one thing to note, and that is, when you're doing anything quote related, whether that's puns or not, always remember to check for trademarks to make sure that it's not actually trademarked. But nonetheless, this pun generator is absolutely awesome. So I have all these different puns just here. I then said, I want some more, and I just put more. So it gave me even more. Now you can use this pun generator for any niche that you want. It doesn't have to be food. So you could even put, give me prompts for cats, for dogs, for animals, for sports, hobbies, whatever you can think of, this pun generator will give you those specific puns. But nonetheless, it actually gave me 25 puns related to cats. Now, another thing that you can do is say that, oh, I really like this pun, and put the pun there from the list. Then put, can you create me more that are similar? Now I'm going to click regenerate because I did use my cap before when previously trying to do this video, but now we can see we've got more puns related to this pun just here. So what I highly suggest doing is just coming over, trying this pun generator to see what you can create, and then create your t-shirts and or stickers around that. Now for me, it's relatively easy to take these puns and turn them into designs or prompts for ideogram, because I now personally have a t-shirt prompt generator for ideogram, and I also have a sticker prompt generator as well. Now these 2 GPTs aren't available in the store, so you're not going to be able to find them, but they are going to be released in my brand new course, which is called IDEO Mastery, coming out this Friday. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, then keep an eye out over my videos over the next week. Now, if we come over to a different chat, which I have just here, this is using my sticker prompt generator. Now, there's actually so many different ways that you can use these generators. But what I was getting it to do was give me prompts for stickers based on that list of puns. So right here is nacho fault. I said, please give me a prompt for this quote / pun. It's nacho fault. This is a pun for nachos, and this is the prompt which I got. I did it for the muffin but love, take a whisk, and all of these designs which you just see here. Now what you can do is use this prompt structure. So if we take a look at this, let's copy and paste this. Let's just put that in here for a second. we can take this structure. In fact, what I'll do is put one of these prompts down in the description, but then you can change out a few keywords and a few things to fit your pun. Now, one thing I do always do, instead of having sticker, I like to change this to design, because when you have the sticker keyword in your prompt, you're going to get an actual sticker. So with these designs just here, we don't have that white outline going around the outside because we don't actually have the keyword sticker within our prompt. So in fact, which one's this for? This is for the Muffin prompt. So if we take a look at this and take a look at this prompt, we can see I've taken out any reference of sticker, because again, if you have sticker in your prompt, you're going to get the white outline around your designs. Now that's all well and good, but then it just takes a little bit longer to edit. Now let's come back over to here. So create a cartoon style design featuring a Muffin character. So right here, this can be changed out to fit your pun. So if it's for bread, change this to bread. If it's for an apple, change it for an apple. Whatever it is, change that just here. Then it says capturing a playful and loving theme. You can change that out, but if we take a look here, playful has been kept in these prompts, and the second part, this is loving, but this has been changed out for adventurous. So play around with that just here as well. Then describe what the muffin or the niche, the apple, the plum, the peach, whatever it is, then describe that just here. So the muffin has brown base with a light golden top. So if this was an apple, it would say the apple has a green or red base with a leafy top, and so on. Just fit it to fit your pun. Its arms are drawn in simple lines, one hand holding a red heart, symbolizing love. This part can be changed out as well. Then the text, this is right here, this is where you're going to put your pun, is written in bold letters above, reinforcing the affectionate theme and pun. The design is set against a white background, creating a clean, straightforward look, appealing to those who enjoy food-themed puns and loving graphics. So again, you could even change out the font here to more of a sans serif or a bold font or whatever you want. You can specify the colour of that font as well. And again, just play around with this prompt structure for your puns to see what you can create. Because if you create good prompts, then you can create good designs just like these. So come over to Chat GPT, go to the Chat GPT store, type in pun, and it's going to be the Pun Innovator by Merch Momentum. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.